Home Show.
Glenn in Kingwood, Texas, has a question about a moldy roof.
It's really a fungus fix that he's looking for, Tom.
Okay.
Glenn writes to us, my roof is about 15 to 20 years old and one-story, 2,600 square foot house up Kingwood. There are no leaks, but I noticed some fungus growing on several shingles. There's a huge tree that covers the middle of the roof. Could it be a connection? Should I be looking to replace the roof soon? What do you say?
Probably not. And I'll tell you, I went through this, I want to say it was 2 or 3 years ago, and I got this big tree. It's a live oak in front of my house. No sun hits certain parts of my roof. It dumps its leaves. The leaves sit on there sometimes. I was getting a little lazy, a little too long. I finally hired someone to clean the whole roof and do what I call a roof maintenance on it, where they caulk all the flashing, they paint the flashing, they get up there, they clean all the leaves, and they literally did kind of scrub a couple areas just with a little soap and water with a brush and got rid of that green stuff, which is gross looking, but it really isn't doing a whole bunch of damage. And then when they were done, I said, so how much time do I have left? I figured I had 2-3 years. I was going to try to nurse it along. I said, oh no, you got about 10 years in the shingles. They're fine. They just got discolored because the tree's not letting the sun hit. So the good news is I don't think you have a problem where you're looking for a new roof, but you can get a good cleaning on it. And we have someone that can come clean your roof if you just want to clean those shingles. And that is Sunny Power Washing. You can get Matt over there and he can clean the roof off real nice, just the shingles, and do that kind of cleaning on there and really clean the shingles up nicely. If you want to take it a step further and get a roof maintenance like I did, you can call Ideal Roofing, another one of our certified home show pros, and they're the ones that took care of the flashing, went over the whole roof, recaulked everything, repainted the metal. It was more than, I had not really a big cleaning done. What I had was a roof maintenance done, and they are two different things. But if it's just a cleaning you need, call Matt over at Sunny Power Washing.
Yeah, and to your point, the thing about Matt and the way he does that stuff is he knows that he can't use a super high pressure, and they use a chemical on that thing that's not harmful.
Yeah.
And it really does most of the work, so it's a soft wash that gets that off when they're done. And you're right, Tom, it makes a shingle, gives it new life. And of course, there's Jim at Ideal Roofing, who's Ideal.
Yeah, and I wasn't looking to clean mine. I wanted
people
to make sure that it was, going to last.
Right,
It was more of a mechanical cleaning.
The point is to get a qualified pro, and I will tell you that if you're in the Houston area, the place to find them is right here on our website. You can scroll down here, and there you'll find them at the bottom. All of our home show pros are right there. You can find there's Sunny, there's Ideal Roofing, or you can come in, click find a pro, and then you can search it by category and find the one you want. Now, if you want to get a question to us, you can go to our website at HomeShowRadio.com and click on the Ask Tom button, fill out that form, send it in with a picture or even do a video if you like, and we'll answer your question just like this, and we'll post it for all the world to see at HomeShowRadio.com, our Facebook page, and of course putting it on our YouTube channel. If you're watching on YouTube, by the way, if you get a chance, when you like the video, go ahead and click on that thumbs up. It'll help us. It helps make the videos easier to find for other people, too.